In this video, we'll discuss why your partner is always starting arguments, what the real reason behind it is, and how we can resolve it. What mirroring actually is, which causes arguments in relationships, what changes when you see the mirror, and how you can resolve it if you experience reverse mirroring. Have you ever, while looking deep into someone's eyes, realized that you are actually searching for yourself? Why do we have this primal hunger to be understood, to be validated, to simply be seen? Why is it that in the presence of some people, we feel like giants, while others make us feel as insignificant as a speck of dust? In psychology, we call this mirroring. And it isn't just a concept, it is an oxygen for your soul. If you couldn't see yourself in that mirror as a child, you might be suffocating in your relationships today. Today, on the Anatomy of Self table, we are dissecting the most hidden mechanism of our connections: mirroring. If you're ready, leave your masks and your defensive shields at the door. Because today, you aren't going to look at someone else. You are going to look at you. Science tells us this. We have a magnificent system in our brains called mirror neurons. When you feel someone else's pain or share their joy, your brain fires as if you are the one living that moment. We are biologically programmed to connect, to reflect one another. But this story begins much earlier. In those first months of life, before you even knew how to speak, you looked into the eyes of your mother or father. What did you see there? A joyful confirmation or a cold indifference? If that mirror was empty or broken, you learned to treat yourself as if you didn't exist. And today, you might be clinging to the wrong mirrors, the wrong partners, just to fill that void. Going this deep can be jarring. If you want to continue exploring the anatomy of your soul with us, join our journey and subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk, we seek to understand. Our adult partnerships are, in reality, echoes of those early mirroring processes. In a healthy relationship, your partner sends the message, "I see you, I understand you, and you are worthy just as you are." This is the soul's healing process. But there is also a dark side to this: manipulative or narcissistic mirroring. You meet someone, they copy all your interests, all your values, even your way of speaking, like a chameleon. They make you feel like you found your soulmate. But look closer. Is what you see a human, or just a hollow copy of the perfect profile you've been searching for? These fake mirrors are mesmerizing at first, but in time, they will consume you. Because what you admire isn't the person in front of you. It's an illusion of your own reflection. In the mirror of someone without a true identity, you will find only your own loss. Ancient wisdom and Sufism add a profound depth to this. There is a saying, "The believer is the mirror of the believer." But here, the mirror isn't just a validation tool. Your partner is a map of attributes for you. The patience, the mercy, or even the anger you see in them is actually a reflection of the potentials or the missing pieces within you. If you are stuck on a flaw in your partner, could that flaw actually be a smudge on your own mirror? We aren't in this world to complete each other. We are here to read ourselves in one another. If your heart is covered with anger, pride, or worldly greed, if your mirror is rusty, even the perfect partner will show you a distorted image. Don't look for the problem in the mirror. Look for it in the dust on top of it. What if your partner constantly criticizes you? What if they ignore you? We call this reverse mirroring, and it can consume your self-worth like poison. The most radical thing you can do here is this: stop entrusting your value to the shifting and flawed mirrors of other people. Label your emotions. Say, "I feel worthless right now because my partner isn't hearing me." This activates the logical part of your brain. Draw your boundaries. Realize that the dirty reflection they are holding up to you is not your reality. Polish your own mirror. Derive your value not from external validation, but from the uniqueness of your own existence. In the end, friends, life doesn't bring us people to approve us. It brings us mirrors to wake us up. Betrayal, anger, or love, they all serve one purpose: to introduce you to yourself. Are you ready to wipe the dust off your own mirror? Or will you continue to get lost in the broken mirrors of others? The choice is yours. If this video lit a small spark in your inner journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, the image in the mirror will never change until you do. Anatomy of Self. Because you cannot understand the world until you understand yourself.